Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure Google Maps and the Tesla app are updated and allowed to use location and notifications. Once done, open Google Maps, choose your destination, and tap Share. Select the Tesla app from the Share sheet. This cues the address to your car. You do this because Tesla lacks native Google Maps integration, so sending the route from your phone is the reliable bridge between Google's routing and the car's navigation system. Once the address is shared, open the Tesla app to confirm it landed in pending navigation. Tap Send or Navigate to push the route to your Model 3. Make sure your phone stays unlocked and the Tesla app remains in foreground briefly. This ensures the car receives the payload. If the car is asleep, wake it via the app or by unlocking the door. You do this because the app relays the Google Maps address into Tesla's nav database so the car can plan the trip natively. Finally, sit in the Model 3, open the car's navigation panel, and select the received destination to start guidance. If the route does not appear, retry sharing from Google Maps, verify the Tesla app has location and notification permissions, and wake the car so it can accept commands. If problems persist, start navigation on your phone and mount it for turn-by-turn guidance as a temporary fallback. This backup works because phone-based Google Maps will still provide voice and visual directions while you resolve the send-to-car issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.